Hello everybody, thanks for watching my video again. If you got a dishwasher that's kind of like this, that's pretty old, and you got your soap dispenser that doesn't seem to want to lock into place like this, it's very easy to have that replaced. So what's going on is that right over here you see a screw right here, right there, actually right there, here, and there. You take out all those screws, then you're going to want to close this, lock it, open this up, push it through, so that part right there is locked into place. This right here is part of the soap dispenser. When you turn it, this little latch right here ends up locking. Here's the timer right here. That's a timer. That is actually this part right here. So this little white part right here is the arm. A lot of times what's going on, and the reason why that soap dispenser will not lock is because there's a little spring that popped off. So I will show you this real quick. Right here and right here, there's two screws. You take those two screws out, then you open this up and you just lay it on its back. You're going to see that this little arm is sitting on a little screw part right here. The spring is normally attached to a little arm right here. All the time, wear and tear, it breaks. What you can do is you can go ahead and buy a whole new door, whole new dishwasher. But if you just want to save your money, what you're going to do is you're going to take a drill, get a little drill bit, little teeny tiny itty bitty drill bit. You put it on your drill, 12 volt, 8 volt, it don't matter, and directly right in the back area you're going to drill a little tiny hole. And then there's two hooks, one here and one here. This part's okay. This part you're going to put it through the little hole that you just pierced. Now you're going to see these two hooks. Those slide into these grooves right here. One here and one here. So once you do all that, you put it back into a place. Little difficulty here trying to record and put it in the groove at the same time. Okay, as you can see, I put it inside of the grooves. Then what you're going to do is put the two screws you taken out . Put it back in place, right there. Then you're going to take your lid, and you're going to set the lid right back on top again. Make sure it goes inside of a little hole. And you're going to set this back into place. Make sure that goes through there. Open it. Open all the way down. It locks. You can get the little knob, and you're going to put it right back into its place. Like that. You're going to keep turning it. While you're turning that, pop goes the weasel. Once you're done with all that, you're going to put all your screws back into place here. Alright, and then close that back up. It's running. And you're good to go. Thank you for watching my video.